First thing you want to do is open up your Tylo app. Press the bottom right where the three dots are on your controller. Hit Network Connect. Press and hold this icon for at least 5 seconds until it beeps. After it beeps, press Add Device. And then hit Add. Then you're going to enter your username and password for your router. Hit Next. After about 10-15 seconds here, you'll see the controller come up here as added. Once it's done, hit Done. Now you can control your sauna with your app. Power, Bluetooth, lights, how long you want to be in the sauna, and delayed timer all right here on the app.